So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Doordash to Apple Pay. So starting off, you can transfer money from Doordash to Apple Pay just by adding your Doordash debit card, such as the Crimson card, Red card, or something similar to that, to your Apple wallet. And then you can fund Apple Cash. So the first way would be to go to your Apple wallet. So actually, first off, you'll need to get the Dasher app, set up your Crimson or Red cards. And once you have that, you can then swipe until you get to your Apple wallet. So let's open that. So once you're here, you can go to the Apple Wallet app and go to the plus sign in the top right corner. From there, you're going to get a list of different options that you can add. So you can see debit or credit card, travel card, and you can type in your Doordash Crimson or Dasher direct debit card details manually, or you can even scan the card because you can just use your camera to have those details filled in. After that, you can verify the card, complete any required security verification steps that your bank requires, and you can add money to Apple Cash. You can open your Apple Cash card inside the wallet app, which is going to enable you to add to that. So choose your Doordash card as a source and enter the amount. So you can transfer between those, but the best way would be to first just check out which card is connected to your Dasher account, because you're going to get weekly payout of your earnings there, and then you can just link it to your Apple Wallet and link that Apple Cash with it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Doordash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.